So I'm just kind of waiting for some action, some dolphins or pelicans, or maybe some military aircraft would be cool. I did get this seagull though. He was just hanging out, cacawing in that one, or whatever they do. I don't know if you can even see it, honestly. But yeah, just posting up, waiting for some action here. Got my 7D Mark II with the 400mm 5.6 and a 1.4 extender. So we have like 800mm of reach, maybe even more. There's a kiteboarder way out there, so I'm gonna get on the other side of this pier and see what kind of pictures we can get of him or her. They've gotten pretty far, but here's another seagull. Get some real close up on him. The kiteboarder got pretty far out, so I don't know how they'll come out from here. Alright, Ingrid joined me, and now she's gonna do some bird photography, but they're really hard to get in motion. I got a couple nice seagulls standing there though.
I'm gonna get the peacocks.
Those are not peacocks.
What are they?
Those are pigeons.
Those, I'm gonna get the pigeons.
Okay, get the pigeons, babe.
Oh, it's so bouncy.
Did you get one?
No, it's windy and I'm shaky.
Well, we'll let you know how the pigeons go. Alright, Ingrid's got some pelicans over there. Can you hit them?
No, not yet.
They're really far away.
It disappeared in the distance.
Ah.
Okay.
Here comes a pigeon.
Let's do the pigeons.
Did you get one?
Yeah. There's two of them right over there.
Nice.
I wish there was some dogs. I'd photograph the heck out of some dogs.
No, you can't do the dogs. Dolphins is what we want.
I like dogs.
They're just pigeons.